Hi, to enable video stabilization on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, open camera on your phone, and here we need to swipe right to go in this video section. So right now on the top of the screen we can see 5 features, but we are interested in this camera icon, which is for ultra stabilization. When it's orange, it is enabled and we have ultra steady mode. If it's white like that, then it is disabled. So now you can shake your camera, but with this feature the result will be smooth and not so shaky. So I just took 2 videos earlier before, and let me show you the difference between enabled and disabled stabilization. So this is the first video without stabilization, and I'm shaking the camera pretty well, so you can see the result here. And here I'm shaking camera just the same, maybe even more, but you can see that the video is more smooth and not so shaky. So yeah, that's it how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.